Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a free overlay for OBS. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click into Chrome, or really whatever your browser of choice is. So in your browser window, you're going to want to go to nerdordie.com and then press enter. Scroll down and then press free Twitch overlays. Then you're going to want to look at the find your overlays section, so click this button and wait for everything to load. It will take a second for all of them to load in, but once you are ready, just look through all of these free options. Now, they do have a paid option or a free option for lots of these. So let's look at Arcade Pop, which looks pretty cool, and we'll go to Free Overlay Christmas Special. Then we'll name our price 000. Some of them might only have certain parts of it free, so look until you see one that is a complete free overlay. I'm going to name a price $0, add cart, and then we're going to check out and download our free overlay. Press complete order, and then press download. And there you go, you finally downloaded your overlay. Now to open it, just click on this .zip file. Then once you're at it, I would recommend pressing get started here if you've never used a Nerd.io overlay, and using their setup guide to install it. You might need to get permission to open it, but it should bring you to your browser and a good way to just get started with learning how to use it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video on how to get a free overlay in OBS.